Potato woke up, bright and round. He rolled and jumped on the ground. He said, "Let's dance, come on, let's go. Move your body, fast or slow." Mashed potato came with a song. He clapped his hands all day long. Baked potato wore a hat. He danced here and there just like that. Fried potato did a spin. He danced with a happy grin. Tater tot jumped up high. He touched the clouds in the sky. Wiggle left, wiggle right. Potato dance feels just right. Clap your hands, tap your feet. Move to the silly, funny beat. Tomato laughed and joined too. Carrot danced with one shoe. Even peas jumped in the air, laughing loud without a care. They danced all day, they danced all night, under the moon, soft and bright. Then they yawned and went to sleep, with happy dreams, soft and deep. So if you're sad or feel too slow, do the potato dance, go, go, go.